Hi everyone, I'm Archita. I'm from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, Department of CSCI. Today let us discuss about the spare matrix. Introduction to spare matrix. A spare matrix is a matrix where most of the elements are zero. It is an efficient way to store and manipulate matrices with a large number of zero values. Spare matrices are commonly in various fields such as data analysis, image processing, and network analysis. Structure of a spare matrix. A spare matrix is typically represented using three arrays: row index, column index, and value. The row index array stores the row identities of non-zero elements. The column index array stores the corresponding column identities. Advantages of spare matrix. Efficient memory usage. Spare matrices require less memory compared to dense matrices, especially when the number of non-zero elements is relatively small. Faster operation. Spare matrices allow for faster operations such as matrix multiplication and addition due to the reduced number of calculations. Reduce computational complexity. Spare matrix can reduce the computational complexity of algorithms that involve matrix operations. Compress spare row format. CSR is one of the most commonly used formats to represent spare matrices. In CSR format, the row index array is sorted in ascending order. The column index and value arrays are aligned with the sorted row index array. Compressed space column format. CSC is another popular format for representing spare matrices. In CSC format, the column index array is sorted in ascending order. The row index and value arrays are aligned with the sorted column index array. Spare matrix storage format compression. The chance of spare matrix storage format depends on the specific application and the type of operation performed. CSR format is generally performed when the focus is on row oriented operations. CSC format is more suitable for column oriented operations. Spare matrix algorithms. Several algorithms are especially designed to work efficiently with spare matrices. Spare matrix vector multiplication is fundamental operation used in many algorithms. Other operations such as matrix multiplication, matrix factorization, and solving linear systems can be optimized for spare matrices. Libraries and tools for spare matrices. Various programming languages provide libraries and tools for working with spare matrices. Python libraries like SymPy and NumPy provide efficient functions for spare matrix operation. MATLAB has built-in support for spare matrices and offers a range of functions for spare matrix manipulation. Applications of spare matrix. Spare matrices find application in diverse fields such as network analysis, image processing, recommendation systems, and computational physics. In network analysis, spare matrices are used to represent adjacency matrices and perform graph algorithms efficiently. Image processing algorithms often exploit the stratified to image data to reduce computational complexity and memory usage. Conclusion: Spare matrices offer efficient storage and manipulation of matrices with a large number of zero elements. They provide advantages in terms of memory usage, computational speed, and reduced complexity. Understanding the structure and storage formats spare matrices is crucial for efficiently implementing algorithms and solving real world problems. Thank you.